Anand, important to also take our viewers through what this military operation by the United States is looking like. They have very strategically planned it out. I want to quickly take our viewers through all of those locations that have been attacked by the US and Israel. Remember, reports are indicating that this could very well be a US-Israel joint strike. First of all, we're looking at Tabriz. Why is this significant? Explosions, in fact, have taken place at the military bases. This is exactly the conversation Anand was having with our guest as well, who was highlighting that the IRGC at the moment is one huge stumbling block. And so, to target the military, the IRGC is also, as we all know, a part of the militia of Iran. It's important that they completely wipe out the IRGC at the moment if the US wants to establish its presence there. You also have Kermanshah. Now, why is Kermanshah so important? Because it hosts facilities to store the missiles. Remember, there's been a shifting of rationales when it comes to US President justifying the military action towards Iran. First, it was about the protesters. He said 32,000 of them have been killed. Secondly, he moved it to the nuclear program, Iran not coming to terms in terms of stopping that uranium enrichment. So there's, of course, a conscious effort being made to attack these storage facilities. They are storing the missiles. Then you're looking at Tehran, of course, the Iranian capital. Multiple locations have been hit. Not much needs to be said when any country is in fact attacked. What the mere symbolism of attacking the national capital is. This is an attack directly at the Khomeini regime. As we all know, the explosions took place near Khomeini's office as well. Natanz, it's a critical nuclear site. This too was attacked. Now, as we all know, this is also the same nuclear site where the attacks took place in the month of June, the memories of which are still very fresh. Remember, in that 12-day conflict that took place when US also participated along with Israel. You're also looking at Isfahan, another facility that is hosting Nuke Research Center. This too was targeted back in June. Now, you're seeing a repeat of these attacks because US intel reports have already indicated that Iran has not stopped enriching its uranium, and that, according to the US Trump administration, is only going to lead to more ballistic missiles being cultivated by Iran, which could very well be used against Americans. That's the justification, at least, that Donald Trump is giving. Over to Anand.